Welcome to my shop here in Brackenfell, Cape Town, South Africa. I'm a qualified Harley-Davidson mechanic, qualified as the master technician with Harley-Davidson, spent about 13 years in a dealership. And 2 years ago I set up shop here. I mainly do Harleys, but today I've got this XV 1900 Raider on my bench, yummy, doing a basic service. So yeah, the question always about the oil drain plugs on these things. I've got three. There's one in the front there, sort of straight across here. Don't drop this phone in the oil. There's another one over there, and then on the other side of the bike you can see the third one. So that's for the oil tank. The other two are to drain the crankcase oil. And then to continue to the right hand side of the bike, that is your filler plug for your transfer case oil, and down there is the drain plug for the transfer case oil. That gets done every 16,000 miles. So yeah, that's basically it. Cheers guys.